Habari za wanafunzi. I hope you guys enjoy the break and you're happy to be back and learning. I'm very happy to be teaching you, though it's online. I really wish I could see you, but hopefully I'll see you during your homeroom one of these fine days. Welcome to our online Swahili class. And we're just gonna start off with the noun class. So today we'll be covering some of the nouns in the noun class. I know you guys have done so many noun classes. This is one of the most tricky ones, but I believe in you guys. So the noun class is actually composed of two distinct classes of nouns that jointly share the prefix "u" in the singular, but it has no specific plural. So there are two classes, and today we'll only cover class 11, which contains nouns of concrete objects that make the plural in class 10, which is the N plural, and more rarely in class 6, which is ma. So we'll just cover these nouns. I'll probably give you the most commonly used nouns in this class that you will encounter, and it would be good for you to memorize. So like for example, uwa. This is a word that you've heard from, for example, maua. Maua means flower. Uwa is just one flower, but when you say uwa and nyua, it means courtyard. Uwa, courtyard. Then we have ubao. Ubao. You've had this one because I'm always saying andika kwa ubao, right on the board. So it's a black or white board, ubao. Then we have ufunguo. Ufunguo. Plural will be funguo, which means keys. Keys. Then we have ugomvi. Ugomvi. Ugomvi, which means quarrel. So if I say anapenda ugomvi, probably that person likes to quarrel a lot. And then we have ugonjwa. Ugonjwa. Not very new because you guys know mgonjwa. One noun class. People. So if I say yeye ni mgonjwa, he or she is sick. But if I say ugonjwa, it's just a disease. Ugonjwa. And then in the African culture, we have this very common word, uko. Uko. Uko is a clan. A clan is a group of people who come from the same ancestor. They have the same ancestors. So in the Kikuyu, you can find different clans among the Kikuyu, among the Maasai. So it just means you have a common ancestor. So people of the same clan are not allowed to get married because you're related in a way. Let's say your family. Then we have ukuta. Ukuta. Ukuta is wall. Then we have ulimi. Ulimi. Ulimi is tongue. Then we have uma. Uma. Uma is a fork. Anakula kwa uma. You're eating with your fork. Then we have unywele. Unywele. This one you've probably also encountered when we did body parts. Unywele means hair. Commonly, because just a strand of hair would be unywele. But when you say nywele, it's just hair. That's the most common you can encounter. Then we have upande. Upande, side. A side or sides. Upande gani? Which side are you on? Upande. Then I'll skip and go to usiku. You guys know usiku. Saa moja usiku, which means night. 7 p.m. Saa tatu usiku. 9 p.m. Usiku. Remember, siku is just day. Usiku is night time. Then we have uso, which you've also probably encountered. Uso. Uso is face. Face. Nyuso would be faces. Then we have wakati. This one you've also heard. This is very, it doesn't come under the u, but it has a plural of nya. So it falls under this noun class. So it's wakati, time. It doesn't follow the rule. Wakati, time. Wakati wa mchana, daytime. Wakati wa kula, time to eat. Then we have wimbo. Wimbo. Wimbo is a song or songs. Wimbo wa taifa, national anthem. Taifa is nation. Wimbo. Naimba wimbo. Imba wimbo. Imba is sing. Wimbo. Wimbo. Then we'll just move to the next one. Ugali. Everybody knows ugali. Ugali is ugali. Then we have ulimwengu. Ulimwengu, which means world or universe. Ulimwengu. Then we have umri. Umri. Umri is age. Una umri gani? How old are you? Then we have usingizi. Usingizi. Usingizi is sleep. Anapenda usingizi. He or she really loves sleep. Usingizi. Then we have uongo. 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 Uongo is a lie. Wacha uongo. Stop lying. Uongo. If somebody is a liar, then remember it's mwa noun class, so it would be muongo. Muongo. But if it's just a lie, it's uongo. So those are probably the nouns that you would memorize for now. You will have this sheet which you can go over or you can listen to me read. And then today I expect you to cover, and let me check. Then you will come to, I'll send you a link to this Quizlet. It has different options. So you can do the flashcards, start with the flashcards. Everybody is expected to do the flashcards. Like for example, ubao, what do you think that is? Say it in your head, black or white board. Click on it. Then go to the next one. Ufunguo. Ufunguo is keys. Yes. Then you can, the other options are learn. So when you go to learn, when you go to learn, you can pick. It will help you practice. So is it fork? Is it uma? Is it ua? Is it umri? Is it uso? So you say uma. Yes. Then writing is a little bit tricky, but if you feel confident, you can do this. Maize meal. Most of you know this. Ugali. Yes, correct. There's also the option of spell. Side. Upande. So you just type the answers. 5 written questions. It would probably have matching questions, multiple choice, or you can do just the test. Written questions, matching questions, or you can play this game, which is match. Match is you get the words in Swahili that match the ones in English. So it will time you, see how fast you can do that. Or you can do gravity. So in gravity, when you start, just click on get started. You can make it really easy, medium or hard. Maybe start with medium. Then when you start the game, make sure your universe, ulimwengu, your universe is not destroyed. So you need to type the correct answer. So this is wimbo. Oh, I'm typing it in Swahili. And my world is dead. Ukuta is wall. Yes. So song, correct answer was song. I was just thinking in Swahili. Then you can continue. Song. Ukuta is wall. Then it brings you another one. So you can do that. I will also send you links to balloon pop game. You guys have done this before, so you can play the balloon pop or matchup. You can do the matchup. So just practice, and for the balloon pop matchup, please make sure you put your real names because I won't be able to tell who's who, and I need to know what you've practiced and what you have memorized. Thank you so much, guys. I look forward to seeing you hopefully soon. Do your Swahili practice and let's meet during the next class. Asanteni sana. Kwaheri, tutaonana baadaye.